Subscribe and click the bell icon for the latest updates and notifications from the Indian Express.
Hi, I'm Ritika. Today we're going to learn how to make jewelry with polymer clay. It's super easy and a lot of fun. What we need is this polymer clay. You get it in all the craft shops. You take this clay and you cut it into small pieces, just about enough for a small bead. What you need to do is keep rolling, roll it into a small ball like this. Let's take some more and roll out as many beads as we can. It doesn't matter what the size of your beads are. So with this attachment in your design knife, which is like a pointed little thing, you make a small hole in your bead like this, just about enough for the thread to go in. Now we're going to need to put these in an oven, which has to be preheated, and you can bake them for about half an hour at 150 degrees. This is what your beads are going to look like after they've hardened when we've taken them out of the oven. Now we're going to paint them. Depending on your design, you can take like a really small brush and mix all your colors here on any old palette. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint some flowers inspired from Chinese porcelain. I'm using cobalt blue and a Prussian blue, and I'm going to paint these little flowers on top of this bead. One here and another one here. Let them dry and then we'll apply some varnish. Now we need to apply varnish. So you take some varnish onto your palette, and with a clean brush, you just apply varnish on the dried up bead. This varnish can be gloss or matte, it doesn't matter. So now we're going to thread these beads that we've painted, and after the varnish is dried. This is when you need your jewelry accessories. So we're going to take some of these ends out and tie one of them to the end of this thread so that your beads don't fall out. Now you put in your beads like this. Now we can tie the other end of the jewelry accessory here. You can also use these things to make small earrings. Here we have a bracelet and 2 earrings to go with it. Hope you had fun doing these craft activities with your kids, and keep imagining, keep making more craft.